Hello everyone, my name is Goblin and welcome back to asmp. It's been a while, and then it was a while again. But I'm back, again. It's been a while, but I am back. I will be trying to do a lot more asmp in the future. I have done a little bit of work, and by a little bit I mean made 2 buildings and finished up the port. We're going to be finishing the port. I didn't finish it, but we're going to be finishing it today. And we just need to do this house here, and then we can terraform and decorate the land surrounding. And we might even start with the forest today. I want to make a big forest up here. That should be pretty cool. So this is kind of what I want to do with this house. With the other ones, I did, the oak, birch, spruce, that stuff. This one I want to use some of the pale wood because I've never actually used it. And thank you to Ash for getting me a ton of pale wood. There's some trees growing over there. But we are just going to basically just get this build done. I don't know how long it's going to take. Should be a pretty simple build. I gave it kind of a wonky shape, made it extend out a little bit. Adds to the fun factor of it. So what I want to do, and you can kind of see here, is I'm going to take the spruce logs. I can't talk apparently. Spruce logs, bring them all the way up, just like that, and then extend them across for our kind of supporting. No, not support, like our, I don't know what the word is. The outside thingy-mabobber. I don't know. I'm not good at this. Frame, that's the word. I was looking for that word I was looking for a word to describe this for a while, and it's frame. This is the frame. There we go, I finally figured it out. I'm very intelligent. I'm not. Let's see. Did we go for the slab or the stair? I'm gonna keep the slab for now. If I don't like it, we will try the stair. But there's the frame. Nope, I'm not done. Let's see. Okay, there's the frame. Now that that's in, I think we take pale, and do we keep it set back? I'm gonna see how I like it set back. I'm gonna keep the back side up, so it's not set back on the back. Whoa, that's funny. I'm gonna maybe try out a gradient here, starting with the pale, and kind of doing an opposite of what I was doing. There we go. Where we go from the pale, this might not work, but we're going to try it anyway, to this. That definitely won't work. Just testing out block pellets. Am I crazy? Or does that kind of seem like it would be cool to do? Like, take these, kind of lead the wood in, that, and then we switch to that. We would need to have like a detail block, like maybe a sign, to kind of slice it up, but I think that could work actually. This isn't gonna look good. This is not gonna look good in the slightest. It's okay, trust the process, trust the process. Trust me, it will look good. It's gonna look good. Eventually. No, not that way. That way. See, yeah, that. And then we'll try it on this wall. See how it works. Okay, I think if we add some detail blocks in there, whoa, I think if we add some detail blocks in there, it could theoretically, maybe, possibly work. In one of the 18,000 universes, this could work. Just finish the walls and see how it turns out. Might be really bad, might be really good, I don't know. This is gonna work. Okay, I believe in this. Just, I think signs. Signs and buttons would honestly kind of help it blend together more. So I think for that, let's try oak. If I don't like oak, I will go birch. I think that helps it actually. And then we can just wrap it around here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 signs. No, I don't want to private that crafting table. There's no point. But I think that should work. It makes it look a lot more natural, and I don't know why. Yeah, that looks good. Then on this side, we just have the slabs separating them, and I think that works there. I think this works. Yeah, I like that. It's a nice pop there of the white. What's next? The roof, of course. I'm forgetting things. It's been so long. Let's see. I think we just do the same type of roof that I've been doing. Stairs or slabs. I could just go both. See what happens. Maybe at this section we use stairs, and on this little part we only do slabs. God dang it. That sucks. Okay. Okay, let's see. Will it? Yes, okay, it will go to a point. That is best thing. That it just goes to a nice point there. Let's see. I think I have to break that sign, because it'll just overlap with that. Yeah, this works. This is fine. We can just throw spruce there. Yeah, that works. I should put a comically large chimney on this thing just for the funnies. And then on this one, can go place the block, man. Okay. Go like this. Then it should peak at the same point. Yeah. There we go. Okay. That works. You just bring it across. What if we have like a window right here? This might not work. I'm not good at windows. Not good at roof windows. Yeah, actually, maybe. We'll keep it there for now. I'm not very good at roof windows, so that's probably gonna go, but we'll keep it there for now. Not place the blocks, man. Okay. And then we just bring this across. Yeah, there we go. Let's see, we do that. Stairs work? How does that look from here? It actually doesn't look bad. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. I think we'll keep it. Okay, roof, mangrove, and bricks. We'll just do that because that's what I've been using for these roofs. Mangrove, bricks. Yeah, there we go. Wait, there it is. No, I grabbed it. Okay. Bricks. Okay. We can do the little roof first. Just put in. Guess we'll have to settle for this. It's fine. But okay, I'm lagging. Just throw bricks there. Okay, I have mistaken what goes where. The mangrove goes first, and then the bricks are a detail on that. Why am I lagging so much? Okay. Wow. It's pretty high ping. I'm gonna be lagging throughout the rest of this episode, so please excuse that. I love 1445 ping. Okay. Now we can throw the bricks in as a detail. And I think maybe just that works. Or one more. Yeah, I think that works for the little roof. Oh, it just broke. I will be lagging throughout the rest of this video, so... Oh my god. I'm gonna reconnect. I have reconnected. Please be better than 1,500. Alright, it's at 0 now, but that's gonna spike up anytime soon. Alright, now for the big roof. There we go, oh my god. It's worse. How did it get worse? I need more bricks. Where did all my bricks go? I need more bricks, please. Okay. After lagging for a solid like 20 minutes, I'm back. Where was I? Okay, big roof, big roof. I didn't even finish it. I'm not good at my job. This isn't my job, but I'm not good at it. Alright. Wood's in place. I have 21 bricks to make this work. Let's see. Nope, not there. And I tested the window. The window works actually pretty well. And so I'm gonna keep it. Okay, that should be it for the bricks. And you just need to put more stairs here. There we go. Okay. What's next? Oh, the roof parts. Okay, that should be easy. Need bricks. I just need the stuff from the roof, the little one. Where'd it go? I lose it the second I put it down. It's like a child runs away from me. I don't know what I meant by that. Okay. And then for the bigger building, I need to actually get these back. Let's see, where's the birch? There's the birch. Because we have a little section here for this. So I think this design should just work here. Yep. Then what do we want to do up here? Wait a minute. I just want to try something. Ooh. I might have... I don't know if this will work, but I just want to try it real quick. I actually really like that. I think that works actually pretty well. As just like some shadowing. The mushroom stems. Especially like under here. Where it would be dark. Yeah, okay. That's just a minor upgrade there. Ooh, and here. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool. Except here, I'm going to do... yeah, that. Okay, I'm going to do that. Quick, that was a detour. Okay. What do I want to do up there? Let's see. We might just go to the normal, what's it called? Normal palette with the oak, the birch, and the planks. I might just do that up there. Yeah, I just need to find the birch because I always lose it. What was the palette? It was this to this to this. Okay. So I think... How do I want to do this? I think I want to do it diagonally. So over here we have the birch, and leading into it is this. Let's see. I think that looks kind of cool. Yeah, I kind of like that. We'll keep it. So then here, we bridge. There we go. Okay. We'll go from this side. That. Do those. Let's see. Yeah, that works. Oh boy. No, I'm breaking my flowers. It's fine. I'll replace it. Okay, that should be good for the base. And now we can do details. Yay! My favorite part. First thing is we need a door. Because every good building needs a door. Sun Tzu, The Art of War. War door. Door war. Oak door is fine. And we can have a back entrance here. Using 2 doors. Whoa. See, where can we throw windows? We obviously have one window up there. Windows. I love them. Right here. Big one. Yes. And right here. I think that's good. I think those 2 is just alright for windows. We can do the big one. We can do a big one and a little one. So I made a big hole and a little hole. Let's see. I like that. That works. And then we need the panes so we can make one of those big windows that I like to do. Let's see. Do I have glass panes? There they are. I know I do. But do I have them in a place where I know I have them? Yeah, we have one of those big windows that I like. And then we can just do a little window here. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Let's just do 1 fence post. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see, can I place that? Yeah, I like that. That's fine. That should be windows down, I think. Because I don't think we need any on the top floor. I was just gonna kinda crank out all the details on this thing. And then I will come back to you guys when the details are done. Then I can move all this stuff out of here, and we can do the grass. I'm gonna do the details now. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I did the details, and I quite like them. They're pretty nice. I don't know what to say, but they line up with the details of these houses. I don't know why, but I thought a ladder would be good right here for no reason other than ladder. But yeah, we have a chimney, a random ladder on the side of the building, so that's fun. And just some other details. So I'm gonna take all this stuff and move it up here somewhere. I think I can just kind of throw it up here. I'm just gonna move it all up here, and then we can get to work on the terrain. Alright, the stuff is successfully moved over. And now I can think about what I want to do for this terrain. Firstly, I gotta get the path in. So that should probably be the #1 thing. Let's see. I think it just goes up straight like this, and then we have a little curve here. And then a little way for the door. Okay, so that'll be the first thing on our list. Second thing, I think we just do what I did here and kind of make it a farm area. I'm gonna sleep. There we go. I think that should work. And just confine it down a little bit. Squash this one. Let's eat a little bit. I don't know. Okay, we can just take some of these. Okay, there is the carrot field. And then around here, I think we just leave this part grass. Yeah, I think we'll just leave that grass. Or I can make a tiny carrot field right here. Just to give it a little life. Yeah, just for a little life. Cornflower. Yay! Okay, now we can do the path. That should be it for the port. Or the docks, or whatever it's called. Back to mud. Coarse dirt. And where's the rooted dirt? Rooted dirt, there it is. Alright, that should be enough. We'll start by just throwing this here. I kind of want to make that part rooted. There we go, that's fine. Alright. Let's see, what can we do here? That, and then how does this blend it? Can go that, and then here I think we can do a big one. We have rooted, and then mud. And then we can just kind of connect this up with some rooted dirt. Then maybe right here, we can do a tiny big patch. So like that. And that can connect right there. There we go. Now we just need the slabs for the height changes. See, I can go like that. Okay. I think this area has turned out really nicely. I'm actually gonna finish, well, not finish, add something. Let's see. Where are they? There they are. I need more. Okay. I was just going to come along here and kind of place some roots around. Yeah, that kind of ties it all together, personally. There we go. Be right there a little bit, like it's drift from the ocean. The river. That's probably being tainted by the Fallout project, which we will get back to eventually. I just want to finish some stuff around my base first. Yeah, this is looking pretty finished. I'm actually really proud of how this turned out. Even though I did all this off camera, I really like how this build turned out. See how it looks from above. That actually really ties the town together. I really like this. It's map time. Here is the map before. We just have this. Now. Boom. Oh, that didn't do all of it. Yeah, look at that. That's so much. That's really cool. Anyway, next episode, I think we will do this forest up here. And that might actually finish it off for the main town. We obviously have a little space around here, but that could be a little terraforming episode. But I'm gonna say thank you for watching. I'm gonna land first. Thank you for watching. My name is Goblin. I'll be building later. Goodbye.